Hello, dear TypeScript Padawans. For those unfamiliar, I'm Benny, and in our last session, we dipped our toes into writing some TypeScript code. Now it's time to discover the essentials of TypeScript's type system. We'll start by learning about collective types and literal types before unpacking the ideas of type narrowing and type widening. To provide a visual representation, I've made a little sketch. As you can see, the number type is a collection as it can represent various values like 1, 2, 7, 99, and so on. Similarly, the string type can represent different strings like hello and world. We refer to these types as collective types, since they represent multiple values. If we want to represent an exact value, we need to use a literal type. A literal type is a type that represents a specific value, and not just any value of a collective type. Literal types can be defined for a variety of types such as strings, numbers, booleans, and even objects. For instance, a string literal type can be defined as hello, which only allows the exact value hello and not any other string value. As you have seen in my previous episodes, the default type that TypeScript assigns when it does not have any type information of your code is any. When you declare a constant, it will have implicitly the type of any. You can get rid of error TS 7005 by annotating the type string. Afterwards, you can initialize your constant with a text. This means that we have narrowed down our type from being any to string. We can get even one step further and just allow a specific string by using a string literal type. This way, other strings like world won't be possible if our literal is hello. So we have just learned how to narrow down a type coming from any, specifying it further to string, and ultimately pinning it down to hello. The concept of turning a wide type into a narrower type is called type narrowing. There it also works the other direction. If you loosen the type from a narrow type to a wide type, we call it type widening. TypeScript also offers control flow-based type analysis. This means that the type checker analyzes all possible flows of control in statements and expressions to narrow down the type. Example: if we use a collective type like string, our text parameter will be of type string. But if we then write an if condition to check if the text is hello, then TypeScript will produce a string literal type for us. And that's it! You've just acquired fundamental insights into TypeScript, specifically the concepts of type narrowing, type widening, and control flow analysis, along with a good understanding of literal types and collective types. In the next episode, we will be centering our discussion around type inference and type annotations.